Today's tutorial is going to show you how I work the modified half double crochet. There are lots of ways to work half double crochets, and in my patterns I specify the modified stitch and wanted to show you how I work those. I've already worked a couple of rows here, and the difference in the modified half double crochet, as you can see, is it creates this nice little ridge along the edge as you work. It also makes the fabric that you create through the crochet stitches a little bit thicker and a little more dense. This works great for placemats or pillows and such. As you can, it doesn't quite stretch as much. It stretches width-wise, but not as much with height. So to work the modified half double crochet, you just chain one when you turn, and I've already created that chain one. Now in a traditional half double crochet, you yarn over and you insert your hook in the top of the stitch. When you work in the top of the stitch, as you can see, you've got both fibers that create this top V along here, and that's what you're working into. However, in the modified half double crochet, you are going to work into the back bar of the half double crochet from the prior row. So this is the top of your stitches that creates this V. The back bar, when you rotate, is this bar that runs across here. So you're going to wrap your yarn just like you traditionally would in a half double crochet, and you're going to grab that bar and the front post of the stitch. So as you can see, the back post is unworked. So you're still going through two strands of yarn, but it's the back bar and the front post. And you work a traditional half double crochet just like you always do. So yarn over, go through the back bar, and then up through the front post and complete your half double crochet. Yarn over through the back bar and the front post, pull up your loop, complete your half double crochet. After working a couple of these, it's very easy to find your hook placement to create this stitch. And when I turn, I will show you how that is created. I'm just going to chain one and pull it up to hold my placement there. When you turn your work, you have created this nice little ridge here. And that is how I completed the modified half double crochet. One of the patterns that I currently have out using the modified half double crochet is the pocket pillows. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial and found it helpful.